Do you know where is he? Do you know where is he? Oh no, we don't say that. Do you know where is he? Can you feel the mistake? تايجات معكم ولا? Do you know where is he? Do you know where is Habteab Academy? Do you know where is Habteab Academy? No. Do you know where Habteab Academy is? Ta is ta verb ድሕሪት ትመጽእ ምክንያቱ እዚ indirect question or indirect statement ኩሉ indirect ኾነ ከምቲ ናይ direct question verb ንቕድሚታ የምጽእ እዩ ዜን ራይውን Do you know where is he? Gega. Do you know where he is? Do you know where he is?
Do you know where he is now?
Do you know where he is?
Do you know where he is?
أب حتى دا is ديكون نقدمي نمسوا تقول له مش is نقدمي تمسينا حتى نسرح direct question كون كله نعمل is he in class? Is he أبزي حدي direct question is he in class? Direct question Do you know إلى سجميرة جن تحطه تسرحي already أبتا do you know do نقدمي تمسي question سرحي Do you know where he is? Not where is he زيادة حمشيتي ناي word order problem يا أبزي حلا فسمون قدامي تخفال أربعة عبيتي word order زقاقيانا نقرات طيشنا يرنا لو مخا نثل مغزلتها مجمرة جن كلهم subscribers ناي Habteab Academy thank you very much بشمين بشم ناي Habteab Academy team بملو 8 شح سلازاتنا مسكان يعرب لكم 8 شح أبناء تمرتاو مدب أزيو عبو غزريو بدينا هاتم دقفكا تتابعينا حمسكا حمزة قصرنا يمخالنا حمزة حلف عمش عمتات أزيو سعر جيرنا جن ناي سعرنا حيلي نهاتكم دقفن سبسكريبشن سلازنبرة 8 شعات يلا thank you very much هجينا بتمرتنا لازم تقدميتي word order of indirect statements and indirect questions لازرانا Do you know إلنا تجميرنا verb نقدميتنا يمتسني كلا أبنت نرأي
Why are you laughing?
Yeah, why are you laughing? Okay.
Why are you laughing? إذا هجي direct you نتين متى تسحق الله هذا الله سبسي قلت دار أخذ direct ليه حتى الله Why are you laughing? هجي are you أركض مسيح Why are you laughing? إذا indirect تجي ساجن نعمل I don't know why you are laughing. I don't know why are you laughing I don't know why you are laughing. You are statement for me question for my opponent. إذا I don't know إلا تجمعنا وي indirect هين Do you know إلا تجمعنا I wonder إلا تجمعنا هول جزء إتناي verb نقد ميت ممسا ويتناي question form أيرليناني verb دحيت مس normal كم statement هين يغرب. لذي why are you laughing? Direct question are you? I don't know why you are laughing. I don't know why you are laughing. We don't say I don't know why are you laughing. No. I don't know why you are laughing. حتى أبنى نوسخ. Where is she? Simple question. Where is she? Where is she? Is she in the room? Is she in the kitchen? Where is she? Is قدامكم نسخله؟ حتوي. إذا direct question سلوانه. Do you know إلى جميع رجل تا is she؟ كم دلالة تعرفنا. She is تغير. Have a look. Where is she? Direct. Do you know where she is? Indirect. لذي أب indirect statements و indirect questions verb helping verb is are نقد ميت ويكد subject مثل أيرليناني كم دلوا بناي statement ملكة كقرب على كاليتي نلو معتي ناي word order problem not not تا not ملك على أبدي وتام توي بزح زي أبدي وتاتو have a look I not understand ببزحي سمع جيجا زي كلاس I not understand not أبكرنيو helping verb نحزي يقولون فتسيم ترجم يقولون why do does did كل والله أبكرنيو ويكا is are بلين verb بعينس لذي I not understand جيجا I do not understand he not understand جيجا he does not understand not كل جزء أبكرنيو helping verb خلوا والله do وين do عليه كون is وين عينت verb مالتي بزي اليوم we cannot make such a negative statement. Salsity misplacing frequency adverbs. I go usually to the gym. I go usually to the gym. I usually go to the gym. هجي أبتا قدامي فيديو لينك قرفلكم يحتروا تقوليهم تتغيسان زي أجن usually أبكر مثل دا مسأ لفترة جياري يعني أنا حجها بدهيتي مسأ I go مسونا usually دهرت verb مسأ أتي نت verb قال ده دهرت verb مسأ ونكنيه مزلوا I go usually to the gym جيجا I usually go to the gym كنا ስለዚህ ታ ገላጺት ወይ adverb of frequency usually always sometimes ኣብ ቅድሚ ታ verb ክትመጽእ ኣለዋ ካልእ place and time wrong order of place and time place ዝገልጽን time ዝገልጽን ከመይ ክስራሕ ኣለዎ ዝኣብነት እዚኣ ንርአያ I met her yesterday at the office I met her yesterday at the office I met her واحد جايبنا yesterday is time adverbial ጊዜ ነገርና ኣሎ at the office ቦታ ነገርና ኣሎ ስለዚህ አይና ቅድም መጽለው ቦታ ወላ ጊዜ ሁሉ ጊዜ ቦታ ይናድም ተቀስ I met her at the office I met her አበይ ድብል ይقدم ክመለስ ዘሎ I met her at the office yesterday ብለይ ትመስል ስለዚህ ቅድም place the hard time I met her at the office yesterday this is the right answer or the right order next other confusing word order you are coming tomorrow you are coming tomorrow ሕጂ statement normal ግን ብዙሕ ግዜ ሰባት ክሓቱ ከለው ኣደማምጾም ጥራሕ ናብ ናይ ሕቶ ኣባህላ ቀይሮም እቲ structure ግን ደይቀይሩ ኣለዉ you are coming tomorrow ጽባሕታት መጽእ ንምባል ናይ ሕቶ ድምፂ ተፈጢርና እሞ ናይ ሕቶ ምልክት ተገይርና ኣብ ጽሑፍ ተኮይኑ you are is wrong are you coming tomorrow ብድምፅና ጥራሕ ሕቶ ክንፈጥሮ ይኽእልና ስለዚ are you coming tomorrow ኩል ሻ ሕቶ ንገብ ከልና helping verb ቀቢል ክመጽእ ኣለዎ ካልእ ኣብ ዝተፋየ ቋንቋታት ክመፍጠር ዝኽእል ጌጋ ዝተፋየ ሰባት ምስናቶም first language ምስ ናይ ኣደ ቋንቋ ንብሎ ምስኡ ዘጋግዮ እሞ ዝፍጠር ጌጋታት ካሎ ንኣብነት very much I like coffee ኣብ ገለ ቋንቋታት very much ዝብል ቅድሚ መጽኾም very much I like coffee no I like coffee very much I like coffee very much ቅድሚ ባልና እቲ very much ኢልና ንገልጾ ዘለና ነገር እንታይ ምዃኑ ክግለጽ ኣለዎ ስለዚ I like coffee ምስበልና very much we don't say very much I like coffee no that's wrong I like coffee very much ስለዚ እዚ ናይ ቃላት ኣሰራርዓ ቃላት ኣብ ዴቦታ ኣትኸሎ ዝፈጥሮ ጸገም እቲ ዝዓበየ ሽግሩ ኣይርዳእካን እንታይ ትጌጋ ምክንያቱ ናይ ግራመር ይተጋግዩ ቴንስ ይተጋግዩ ወይ ናይ ናውን ናይ verb ዝበሃል ሕቶ የብሉን መስርዑ ጥራሕ ስለዝተቐየረ ይሕርር ብለካ ስለዚ እቲ ሰራዓ በዚ መገድ ዝኽንሪኦ ኣገዳሲ እዩ ኣብ ዝቕፅል ብኻልእ ቪድዮ ክንራኸብ have a nice time that's it